Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting inside Google Ads. Sign into the correct account and open the campaign you'll edit. Once there, go directly to Assets, sometimes labeled Business Data, because Logo's live here. Make sure your image meets ad specs. PNG or JPEG, recommended sizes like 300 x 300 or 1200 x 628, and under 5 MB. Now click Add or Edit Logo to begin. This first step avoids header menus and once in the asset editor, click Add Logo and upload your file or drag and drop it. That's the fastest path. After upload, fill in alt text and the displayed brand name so accessibility and reporting stay accurate. Next, assign the image to the primary logo slot or optional slots for different formats. Make sure to preview how it appears in responsive and display ad previews, adjusting cropping or selecting a different aspect ratio if the logo is. After configuring, click Save and then apply to the chosen campaigns or ad groups so the new logo is active. Keep in mind changes can take time, allow up to 24 hours for propagation and review by Google. If the logo doesn't appear, make sure the file meets policy rules, correct size and format, and isn't blocked by caching. Clear browser cache or reload the preview. If there's a policy rejection, fix the issue and reupload, then reapply.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.